In this video, I'm going to show you how to create consistent characters in SeaArt. Now, there's a lot of different ways of doing this, but I'm going to show you by far the easiest and quickest way to do it. So, hover over Create up top and click on Create Image. And then in here, you first have to create an image you want to have your character as, okay? So, I created a character over here, and let's say I want this to now be my consistent character, okay? I'm going to select this one over here, this girl, and then what you want to do, this is the most important part, you want to go ahead and over here where you can see it says seed, so scroll down, and where it says seed, make sure you do copy this seed, okay? And when you copy the seed, also copy your prompt. So that's very important. Now, the first thing you have to do is, of course, you want to start creating a new image here on the left, and make sure you scroll to the very bottom, go to the advanced config here, and make sure fixed seed is enabled. When you have fixed seed, paste in your custom seed, which should be the seed of the character you want to have as a consistent character. And then whenever you put in your fixed seed, you then have to use the same prompt as well. Okay, so I'm going to actually just reuse this prompt. I'm going to click reuse the prompt. There we go. And then here you want to keep most of this the same. However, you can change a few different things that actually don't talk about the character's appearance, for example. So I guess that's how I could describe it. So as you can see here, I will leave this girl with long hair, detailed eyes, nose, lips, wearing, and then you can change this, for example, here. So it says wearing professional outfit. You could do like wearing, I don't know, whatever you want, like a casual outfit. And then instead of sitting in her office, it could be like sitting on the beach, stuff like that, using her phone. And whenever you do this, and whenever you only change a few different things regarding like her look and location and stuff like that, and you keep the fixed seed the same over here, and also these characteristics the same, whenever you then generate your new image, you will get a consistent character, and you can then use it using this seed, okay? And you can also create it like however many times you want in different scenarios, different environments, and different clothes and stuff like that. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.